Hello friends, in today's video I will tell you about what are the functions available in Fluke Multimeter in details about the all functions of the Fluke Multimeter and how to use all the multimeter functions available and the detailed overview of Fluke digital multimeter. So let's start about today's video. First we have the functions on this multimeter. If we start from the first function, we have voltage measurement for AC, alternating current. In voltage measurement we use these two probes, and we have DC voltage measurement. The second option after the AC voltage measurement, we have DC. And if we have the voltage measurement of DC, why we use this millivolt voltage measurement? This is to measure the small voltages in millivolts. We have both options from AC and DC. We will select from this orange button, and the other option is this one, the resistance, continuity and diode. We will switch between these functions with this orange button. Second option is continuity, the third option is diode. We can check diode with this Fluke multimeter with this option, and again with the orange button we have mega ohm resistance. We can select also the range. Now we have this automatic, but we can manually select the range. If we when we press this button, the manual option will become, and after when we press this range button, then we can switch between ohm, kilo ohm and mega ohm resistance range, depends upon the measurement. If we select the range accurate, then our measurement will be accurate, and we come again on this function, it will become automatically on auto mode. This is the function to measure the capacitor. Whenever you want to measure the capacitor, you will use this function of the multimeter. Number 3, after the capacitor we have ampere. We can check AC ampere and DC ampere also with this multimeter, but with the limited range. And also similarly when we want to check the low amperes like milliamperes, we will select this option, and for the microamperes we will select the last option, microamperes. If you want to check the amperes very small like in milli or micro, then we can check with this Fluke multimeter. So this is the hold button. If we hold if we want to hold any reading, we can hold with this button. If we press this button, whatever the value on the screen will be hold, either we remove our probes or not. Let me show you how this function work. First we will remove this hold button and make both probes continuity. When you check this, now this multimeter is on continuity, and we will press hold. I press hold button, it will become 0.5. Now I remove both leads separated, but this reading is hold. When I remove hold, it becomes open line. So this is the function of hold, and this button is for the multimeter light, internal LED light for the display. If we press this button, the display will become. Now let's talk about the wiring, how to use these probes on this multimeter. This first probe is for the voltage, ohm, diode and capacitor. When we want to check this function, we will put one common and the red probe in this function. And if we want to check the amperes, for the voltage we have this multimeter up to 1000 volt, means low voltage. We can only measure with this low voltage, and the other option common with the milliampere or microampere. We have here 400 milliampere fuse only, and if we have more amperes, we can check up to 10 amperes with this multimeter. So we will use this probe common with A. And also with the Fluke multimeter we have this mini clamp. With this clamp we can measure up to 100 ampere. So similarly we will use this clamp in the ampere. If this clamp is the ampere conversion, this clamp come into with the transducer, it check ampere and convert into the millivolts. Let me show you. We can check with this clamp up to 100 ampere. There is the scale on this clamp, So this you can see 100 ampere is equals to 0.1 volt. So we will use this multimeter and put it on millivolts and measure ampere up to 100 ampere. So in this Fluke multimeter we have option to use this mini clamp. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching Electrical in Industry.